Hello everyone. I'm Dilshan Fernando. So I think this is most important topic. In this tutorial we'll see how to execute Selenium tests on Android real devices and emulators in parallel mode. For this video I will execute tests on Chrome browser. When you create emulators, please be carefully to set the capabilities such as API, hardware, and browser versions as required by the client to be tested on. Here is a small agenda. We need to connect the real device. So if you have installed everything in your machine, then it's hardly 2 minutes task. What you need to do is connect your device and start a PIM server and writing your code and run it. Since I have connect my mobile device, which is Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, I have installed Droid@ Screen software in order to mirror the device on my laptop screen. In the real device you need to do some setting. So in the real device what you need to do is you need to go to settings. You can see I'm getting option called developer option here. But sometime you will not get this option. So what do you need to do is, you need to click on about phone and need to scroll down and you will see build number. In case if you do not get developer option, you need to tap 7 times on build number so that this option will enable. And you need to do a small change. You need to enable USB debugging option. In your case if it is off, you need to enable this. Now everything is set up from the real device end. Go to the project. Now what you have to do is start the Android emulators which you want to execute your test cases. For that I have written a Windows batch file and you need to click on it. It will launch the emulators. It will take some time as well. After started the emulators, you need to connect them with the PIM server. For that I have written a bat file as well. Just click on it and all activated Android devices will get connect with the PIM server. Now everything are set to run the tests on devices. Here I have coded to support for the web, native and hybrid apps testing in both Android and iOS devices. Now go to the test.ng file. In the configuration file I have passed 5 parameters in order to specify in which device I need to run each test cases. To start the execution, go to the project location and open the command prompt and type mvn clean test.ng. Then you can see all the test cases will start to execute in parallel. Let's consider following scenario. Let's assume you need to execute your test suite which have 100 test cases in 5 different Android mobile devices. And you have only one real device to test. But your client need to know the test results of all device in one report at the end of the day. If you start to test all 100 test cases in one Android emulator and then verify same test cases in next device, then it would take entire day to complete your test suite. In that case you can use this approach as a solution. After successfully completely running the test plan, you can open the report. You will see that it has taken only 2 minutes and 14 seconds to completely execute the same test cases in 3 different Android devices. But if you run these test cases in sequentially, it will take more 6 minutes to complete the test suite. This will definitely save your execution time. On the next video I will show how to run Selenium tests on iOS device as well. So if you have any doubt, you can comment on below section. Thank you.